Oh man, they got faster. Welcome back to another Dance Drills Basic. Today we are talking about, or we're working on, pacing. Pacing. First time I learned about this term was through Big Brother Sugar Pop Electric Boogaloo's pacing. And this is part of the locking fundamentals. Alright, what is pacing? Well, think of the word pace. Is to catch the pace, catch the rhythm of the beat. When you listen to the music, let me just play something real quick, something simple. Right now, this is at 110 beats per minute. You hear the, think about maybe you're snapping to the music. Okay? Now, when you're doing this, to the side right here. So what I do, let me stop this second. So technically, what I want you to do is kind of just, it's almost like you're knocking on the door in a sense, all right? Or if you're making this snapping motion. So when you hear the beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, boom. It's something light, something simple that you can catch the rhythm to. You know, it's, to me, it's more like a warm-up move, but it's a great, great move to get you started. All right, so let's slow down a bit. And what I want to do is we'll start drilling it. Drill number 1, I want you guys to focus on the arms, all right? So imagine knocking on the door right here. That's the first bass. You're gonna be knocking on someone's door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this sideways right here and knock it this way. Does it make sense? If I'm doing it to the front, it'd be this way. So the sideways like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's not the end of it, okay? But this is just the wrist part. So with the rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm making it like I'm snapping as I knock. Does that make sense? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm gonna make my movements bigger. This is the start of it. So I don't want you guys to just say, oh, okay, I know how to pace now. No. When I do this, I want you to try to reach out as far as you can. 1. And then when you come back, there's a slight drop right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you get better and better, I want you to try to make this movement as big as possible. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you first start, it'll look like this, which is okay. That's the beginning part of the pace. You're kind of just pacing, getting rhythm, getting caught up with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you get better and better, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. You're going to extend. Now, the more you do, you probably start getting warm. You're going to start feeling your arms getting, warm and a little bit sore. But that means it's working. All right. So let's try it with the music now. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4. 6, again. All right, so that is drill number 1, guys. Here we go now, drill number 2. What we're gonna do is do 2 things at the same time. We're gonna add the drill number 1 along with the march. All right, so we got to get 2 things going on. March is basically this, just step, step, step. I'm marching. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try that without the music first. I'm just going to start with my right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to add the pace to it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. If you've never done this before, or this is your first time trying, it may be a little bit difficult. It's just like, doing juggling 3 balls or 4 balls at the same time if you've never done it before. The first time, it'll be a little bit more difficult, but with a little training, with muscle memory you guys should be fine. Here we go. Let's try with the music now. Hang with me. 5, 6, 7, 2, 6, 8, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. All right. This is drill number 3. What I want to do now is teach you guys how to do variation with the arm angles, okay? Instead of going to the right, to the side all the time, we got across the body, but we got to the front, okay? Those are 3 different variations. So I have here, here, front, and back to the across the body. So 2 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4 is across the body, 5, 6 in the front, 7, 8 is across the body, okay? Now, one of the things we're going to do is we're going to progress forward. So we already had the march, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's our 1-8 count. I'd like to see if we could do 4 8 counts together. Hope you're ready. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6. Again. 3, 2. 2. All right. Okay, hopefully you guys were able to do drill number 3. Now moving on to drill number 4, we're progressing through. Next one is, instead of marching in place, we're basically going to travel around. Let's just do a 2-step together, okay? So basically a 2-step, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the 2-step, a simple 2-step is just side to side. You can travel anywhere. You don't have to just go side. I can go to the back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should be able to travel around 360 degrees, okay? But for the sake of this drill right now, we're just going to go side to side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, remember, we're progressing through. So first, for the previous exercise, drill number 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to add that. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adding on in. Okay, let's try to get 4 8 counts. Here we go. Let's put the music up. 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6. Again. 2, 4. 3, 2, 4. Again. All right. For our next drill, we are going to repeat the previous drill. However, it's going to be slightly faster. Okay. We got to train our body to be able to move to something a little bit faster. So here we go. Same drill. We're going to do the legs along with a different variation of the arm pacing. Okay. Here we go. A little faster now. 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 2. Now we're going to speed up even further, okay? So let's try to keep up with this one. Let's go even further. And this should be at 130 beats per minute. Let's try to keep it up. Same drill, but just slightly faster. Here we go. Actually, this is at 110. This is at 110. 5, 6, 7. 3, 2. guys. So hope you guys were able to learn something from this and develop some muscle memory with it, okay? So what I want to do right now is do different variations. Even in the drills, I didn't do any left hand. So I'm going to do some left hand. I'm going to show you what you could do with just pacing. This is strictly pacing and adding different movements, you know, different two steps going to the side. All right, so this is my little freestyle with it. And let's keep it just a little bit slower so we can see. Here we go. Pacing variation, here we go. Oh man, they got faster. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that variation. Watch it, play it, copy it, bite it, whatever you want to do. Learn from it, all right? And make it your own. Making it your own. How do you make it your own? Do your own variation. Listen to the music. Whatever the music, whatever you feel. You know, when I go to the right side or right hand here, boom. How do I feel? Maybe I want to go here and I go back. Sometimes I want to go here, go to the front the other way, okay? Guys, do me a favor. If you like this, hit that like button. Subscribe if you hadn't already. We're growing this channel by day, and I really appreciate all the support. See you guys on the next one.